Shift focus to the state of Maharashtra, because this was a historic victory for the BJP and of course when it comes to the Mahayuti. But now when it comes to the bigger question that remains, exactly kaun banega Mukhyamantri, the kissa kursi ka continues, where hectic deliberations are underway in the Mahayuti camp for the formation of the new Maharashtra government. In the last 24 hours alone, viewers, a series of meetings that have been held within the Mahayuti camp over the cabinet formation as well. But there still remains immense curiosity exactly when it comes to the post of the Mukhyamantri. Let's get you a short recap of what all has happened in the last few hours itself, where Times Now has learned that as far as the BJP is concerned, being the single largest party in the state of Maharashtra, is likely to claim when it comes to the CM's post. And even when it comes to Devendra Fadnavis, there have been many leaders who have been pushing for his name as being one of the front runner of the post. The three other senior leaders for the Mahayuti, that is Fadnavis, Shinde and Ajit Pawar, are expected to head to the national capital. And in the meantime, Ajit Pawar has also been elected as far as when it comes to the legislative party leader is also concerned. And even when it comes to Eknath Shinde, who has also been elected, as well as when it comes to the legislative party leader of the Shiv Sena. But with those reactions that have been coming in, we'll play out exactly what's happening within the camp, because nobody is giving straightforward answers as to who will now become the next Mukhyamantri of Maharashtra.
सभी विधायकों ने एक मत से विधायक दल का नेता मुझे चुना, इसलिए मैं उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। तो विश्वास उन्होंने जताया, इसके लिए उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
सर, कल मुख्यमंत्री पद पर फैसला हो जाएगा?
So not giving any answers there as far as who will be the next CM, but is he going to be the next chief minister or is he going to be someone else? But if we talk about Eknath Shinde, he still is very much in the race for the CM's post, and why the Mahayuti may want to prefer to go ahead retaining him as the chief minister. Let's break down exactly what happens as far as Shinde's positioning within the Mahayuti is concerned. He's a tall Maratha leader as well. He's held the CM's post for the coalition, and as far as what has now been concerned when it comes to the coalition Dharma, that may have put Shinde in the race. There are several other dynamics as well, which includes the caste dynamics. That could also help Eknath Shinde being a strong Maratha leader in the state. And as far as when it comes to the schemes that are concerned, which have proved to be immensely beneficial for the Mahayuti, like the Ladki Behan, which proved to be a game changer. And when it comes to the Asli Sena, the credentials that have now been given as far as when it comes to regional parties are also concerned, here is the evidence that it seems that Eknath Shinde in the last 2.5 years has given to the people on ground, where he may be cited as a political heir of Balasaheb Thackeray's legacy that has created that goodwill within the Mahayuti alliance. And the Sena cadres themselves are pushing for Eknath Shinde as chief minister once again. So will he be retained? That remains the top question.
शायद लग रहा है हमें भी ऐसा होना चाहिए, जो उन्होंने काम किया है, मेहनत की है, उसका तो फल दिख रहा है। अभी देखते हैं आगे आगे क्या होता है, लेकिन हम लोग को लग रहा है कि मुख्यमंत्री पसंदीदा होगा तो अच्छा है। हर पक्ष का हर आदमी को ऐसा लग रहा है आप अपने पार्टी का हो, ऐसा हमको भी लग रहा है।
So with many takers there for the top post, you have also Devendra Fadnavis, who has held the position of the Chief Minister of Maharashtra in the past. Then he was the Deputy CM in the previous Mahayuti government. And here's why Fadnavis could also be the next Chief Minister.
132 above 132 भारतीय जनता पार्टी जीता, इसमें कोई पोस्टिंग का कोई सवाल का बात ही नहीं है। सम्मानीय देवेंद्र फडणवीस साहब मुख्यमंत्री मेरे ख्याल से होना चाहिए, कोई नहीं। थैंक यू।
But there are others in the Mahayuti believe that even Ajit Pawar is very much in the race for the CM's post. We have seen already posters that were put up just before the election results in Baramati that were vouching for Ajit Pawar as the Bhavi Mukhyamantri. Now, a senior leader of the Ajit Pawar faction of the NCP has claimed that since the NCP has also had a great strike rate, he cannot be ruled out from the race either.
एकनाथ शिंदे हो या सब कह रहे हैं कि उनके पार्टी के लोग कि मुख्यमंत्री दोबारा एकनाथ शिंदे होने चाहिए, उनके नेतृत्व में चुनाव लड़ा गया है। क्या ये पोजीशन बनी हुई अभी भी?
मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है क्या। अब ऐसा जर होगा तो अजीत दादा भी तो हो सकते, उनका भी तो स्ट्राइक रेट बड़ा अच्छा रहा है भाई। क्या अब जो है ये तीनों बैठकर जो है जो भी चर्चा होगी वो सबको जो है मान्य है। फिर क्या है?
So even when it comes to the Mahayuti leaders who are preparing to announce the new cabinet soon, as sources have now been suggesting that the Mahayuti is also considering a formula where every party gets one ministerial berth for every 6 to 7 winning candidates. That means with the BJP being the single highest party, may get 22 to 24 ministerial positions as there are 132 seats. Shiv Sena's formula could be of getting around 10 to 12 ministerial berths, while Ajit Pawar's NCP faction could get around 8 to 10 ministers. But how when it comes to the smaller allies and how will they be accommodated within the cabinet? The RPI leader, Ramdas Athavale, has also an appeal for the leaders of the Mahayuti. Listen into what he has to say.
देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी की जो बात हुई थी उसमें रिपब्लिकन पार्टी को एक मंत्री पद देने का वादा पहले से हुआ था जब एकनाथ शिंदे जी की सरकार आई थी, लेकिन विस्तार में आरपीआई को लिया जाएगा ये आश्वासन दिया था, लेकिन विस्तार ही हुआ नहीं और इसीलिए तब हमको 2.5 साल में मंत्री पद नहीं मिला था। इस वक्त दलितों का हो, बुद्धिस्ट कम्युनिटी का हो, बहुत बड़ी संख्या में महायुति को मिला है। मुझे लगता है कि रिपब्लिकन पार्टी को एक मंत्री पद मिलना चाहिए। एक एमएलसी और एक मंत्री पद देने का वादा माननीय देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने किया था, उसके मुताबिक रिपब्लिकन पार्टी को एक मंत्री पद मिलना आवश्यक है और हमारी आग्रही डिमांड है